Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate you how to assemble ANAVI Gas Detector Starter Kit. ANAVI Gas Detector is an ESP8266 powered open source Wi-Fi development board for monitoring indoor air quality and detecting dangerous gases. The printed circuit board has exactly the same dimensions as one of my previous open source hardware products, ANAVI Thermometer. Therefore, both ANAVI Thermometer and ANAVI Gas Detector use the same acrylic enclosure. All kits of ANAVI Gas Detector include MQ135 sensor for air quality, mini OLED I2C display, an acrylic stand, and nuts and screws to assemble it. Furthermore, the advanced kit includes HU21D sensor for temperature and humidity, while the developer kit also includes a couple of additional I2C sensor modules. All kits also include USB to UART debugger for uploading custom firmware. The assembly includes 5 major steps and it takes approximately 10 minutes. The first step is to peel off the protective film from the acrylic stand. This could be a little bit annoying, but it's important to do it. Also, remove the protective film from the mini OLED display. Using a screwdriver, gently attach the mini OLED display to the acrylic stand with the M2 screws and nuts as shown in the video. The mini OLED display is fragile, so please be careful. I repeat, the mini OLED display is fragile. Do not fasten it too tight because otherwise the torque may break it. Add 4 M2.5 screws and nuts to the bottom of the acrylic stand. After that, gently put ANAVI Gas Detector on top of these nuts and fasten it with the additional 4 nuts. Connect the mini OLED display to the dedicated slot of ANAVI Gas Detector using the male to female jumper wires. The colors of the wires doesn't matter, just have a look at the labels on the top of the OLED display and connect to each appropriate pin on the board. Finally, place the MQ135 sensor for detecting air quality to the dedicated slot on ANAVI Gas Detector. That's it, you have successfully assembled ANAVI Gas Detector and you're ready to turn it on. The first time, when you turn on ANAVI Gas Detector, you need to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Please have a look at the description of the video for a link to another video that explains the whole process. It's very straightforward and takes less than 5 minutes. The first time when you turn on ANAVI Gas Detector, it is also super important to do the procedure called burn-in of MQ135 gas module. Place the assembled ANAVI Gas Detector with MQ135 in a room with clean air and leave it there for at least 24 hours. This is the initial calibration period. This procedure has to be done only once when you have a brand new MQ135 sensor. After that, on each boot, in a matter of a few minutes, MQ135 will be okay and will be working fine. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos about exciting open source technologies.